Now see the first lesson in the book Vistas, the third level. Actually, the theme of this lesson is the third level is a story that weaves together a psychological journey of the narrator into past, present, and moves towards failure. Sorry, not failure, it is future. Actually, a kind of catastrophe takes place when the memory of Charlie is transferred from one age to another age. As he has described the existence of third level that used to be present in 1948. Not 1948, it is 1894. There is always a natural human tendency to constantly move between the past, the present, and the future. Past, present, and future are strategically and organically interconnected. Man is mortal, means they are not going to live forever, and has many good and bad aspects of life like love, profit, loss, good, bad, etc. All these aspects tend to affect the human mind. Because of these things, the human mind is affected very much and they start behaving in the same manner. Then existential worries act like a catalyst for making the human mind constantly move between the past, the present, and the future. I think you people understand the meaning of catalyst. Mean that acts to accelerate the things or that makes a reaction faster that it might have studied in chemistry. The third level is a study of human mind caught in this cycle of time. When people in the present time want to escape the problems and stress of life, they feel that life 50 or 60 years ago was relaxed and they wanted to go back to to that time for peace and happiness. Means they wanted to take leisure, they wanted to free their mind from stress, and so they start thinking about 50 or 60 years ago, the time when they used to live, when the people at that time used to live. But what is given in this lesson that you can see, this is also a kind of transcending of human memory from one age to another age, from one age to another age. Chardy is convinced that there are three, not just two, levels of Grand Central Station. Charlie's psychiatrist Sam Wiener and his friends think his delusion is a waking dream with fulfillment, and like his stamp collection, a temporary refuse. Refuse means simply to escape from the situation, from a world full of insecurity, fear, war, and worry. Charlie describes how one evening while hurrying home from office, he decides to take the subway from Grand Central Station and gets lost. He eventually finds himself on a strange third level with spittoons. Spittoons means the container or the part that is kept to spit in it. I mean जो थूकने के लिए थूकदानी यूज करते थे. Gas lights and ancient locomotive means an ancient or very old, listen to me, very old railway engine. And people whose appearance and clothes look strange, he realizes that he has somehow gone back in time to 1894, which is confirmed by the newspaper's lead story on President Cleveland. Charlie tries to buy tickets to Galesburg, Illinois, a wonderful town with big old frame houses, huge lawns, and tremendous trees, and where summer evenings were twice as long and people lived in peace and harmony. But the clerk won't accept his 1950 currency, and so he leaves the station. During his lunch break, then the next day, Charlie withdraws nearly all his savings and buys old style currency to buy tickets to Galesburg of 1894. But he can never again find the entrance to the third level at Grand Central Station. Charlie finds evidence that the third level actually exists when he discovers a letter dated July 18, 1894, addressed to his grandfather in Galesburg, Illinois, from his psychiatrist Sam Weiner, who it seems was not skeptical, skeptical of the third level as he had appeared. Now, Kalpana and Sanjana, both of you are only present. Just say.